Hey everybody, how's it going? So we're going to do a quick unboxing. We're going to talk about the item in this Amazon bag, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Hope you guys' day is going well. So I picked up a couple items. This is the only one that showed up. The other one is supposed to be here Monday. It's Sunday. So I needed some shorty extension cords. You used to be able to get shorty extension cords at Walmart. You used to be able to buy them in singles, and they were orange, green, and clear. They were all a clearish, opaque kind of style. One was like orange, one was green, and then one was just white, clear. And they're all these lengths right here. These are 16 AWG. These cords will do 13 amps max. They're 8-inch cords, I believe. And this is a 10-pack. Spent 18 bucks on it. They are 8-inch cords from where the plug goes. And the reason I picked these up is I'll take you guys over here real quick. So I do use these a lot for like transformer plugs. Let me turn this light on and I'll show you guys. It's kind of dusty down here at the moment. Maybe undo the tripod. Quick. So these are the green, clear and all that. And they're just little short extension cords. I also picked these up on Amazon too, because these are the ones that I bought from Walmart, but you can't find them at Walmart anymore. And I use them to extend things like these little transformers right here. These are just little transformer plugs. And you put them on, if you're putting them on a power strip, things like this will not fit on a power strip. They'll actually block several outlets. So that's what I use them for. I figured I'd show you guys that. And the reason I picked these up is the clear one, the one I just showed you. You can get a 3-pack at Amazon for like 10 bucks. You can get 3 packs for $23. So it's actually a better deal to get 3 packs for $23, because if you bought 3 packs in singles, single packs, if you bought them, let me grab the phone. Here, I'll show you guys real quick. Put this down. So a single pack of 3 is $10.45. A 2-pack of 3, which is 6 cords, is $16, and a 3-pack of 3 would be 9 cords at $23. I grabbed 2, so basically it's 18 of these. Or 17 of them. Oh yeah, 18. So these are on their way. They're the same as what I just showed you. One's green, one's white, one's orange. But I picked these up because these specifically, they're black, and I need them for these guys. These plugs, they don't fit on a normal power strip because they're angled. So they actually plug in like that. And I have a little plug back here. Move the flashlights real quick. So here's one of those green ones also. See how the plug is angled? So I have a 3-plug outlet strip right here that runs a couple of these power strips. And the reason I picked the black ones up, you know, a 10-pack for 18 bucks, was because they were black. They're gonna blend in with everything over here that's black. The cord's black. And this cord actually is this same style industrial power strip, and I have it running across the wall, and it comes up to this side for all of these chargers right here. So all of these chargers on this wall are plugged in on this side up here, and all of these chargers on this wall are plugged in right here. I'm gonna push the button to turn the light on. There you go. So that's what it looks like right there. And these are just those little 3-way splitters that I put in between. So there's an individual plug in between each one of these. But so I picked these up just to have them. Usually these are great for extending an item away from an outlet strip, especially if it's angled. It's an angled plug like this, where it has to plug in like that. So that's what I picked it up for. This cable is gonna get plugged in here, and I'm gonna hide this cable behind the toolbox. But that's the main reason why they were picked up. There's nothing special. They're just, you know, 13 amp cords. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This is a nice plastic bag. Definitely could tell that the bag was not sealed anymore. It looks like it got ripped for some reason. This is an actual plastic bag. It's like a it's kind of a, I don't know how you would describe it. It feels really nice. It's a good bag. I'll probably just keep this for something else. And these are made by Miady, or M-I-A-D-Y. They're 8-inch, 13.3, so 13 gauge, 3-prong, 13 amp, 125 volt, 1,625 watt, NEMA 5 to 15. They are UL certified and ULC certified. I'll end up keeping this bag and using it for something else. It's not like this kind of plastic. It's more of a very pliable plastic, but they all have the warning labels on them. Danger electrical cords can be hazardous, and I don't usually put like a battery on each. You know, so I have charged, you know, 2 batteries here, 4 here, 1 here, 2 here, 1 here, and 1 on each of these all at the same time, but they don't all draw the max ampage all the time. These DCB 118s are 8 amp hour fast chargers from DeWalt. This is the rapid charger, dual rapid charger from Milwaukee. These 3 are dual rapid chargers. Single rapid chargers for just, you know, 12 and 18, and these chargers don't run 12 volt and 18 volt at the same time. It charges one at a time. This is the skill saw charger. So I have ran all of these chargers at the same time, where I've had literally a 12 and an 18 volt battery in each one of these. 12 volts in this one, 2 18 volts in this one, and 20 volt flex volt batteries in this one all at the same time, and they all work well. It's not overloading the circuit because these chargers are all smart chargers. They'll choose what the battery needs. This is the new 12 amp fast charger from DeWalt. This is another 8 amp fast charger from DeWalt, which is what these guys are on the side. This is the 6 amp 12 volt 20 volt charger that just came out from DeWalt. There's two 4 amp chargers here and two 2 amp chargers here for 12 volt and 20 volt. And I did set them up that they will take 20 volt batteries. Let me put this down real quick. So it will fit that you can literally put the battery up here, lock it down for it to charge. They both fit. And I chose the 9 to do this measurement because the 12 is the same size as the 9. Same with this one. And you can have a battery plugged into every single one of these at the same time if you really wanted to. The 12 volt 20 volt DCB 1106 is a 6 amp 12 volt 20 volt charger. It does lock the battery in, so you do have to pull to unlatch it, which is the same for the 20 volt chargers. You literally, when you lock it down, it locks in with the battery lock, so you have to pull up. These do not lock in with the battery lock. You just slide them on. They do not lock at all, so I don't have to. With these older style chargers, the DCB 112 and the 115 do not lock, so you can literally just pick the battery up. Where these, they have a cutout where they notch. So like this one right here. See here? Let me turn the light on for you guys. There you go. So this little piece folds forward and it locks in right there. See how it moves back and forward? This is the 6 amp charger. And none of these are plugged in at the moment. So that's what that's for. When you put the battery in, when you slide the battery in, these tangs, they push on this rail and slide this rail forward, and it allows the battery to lock in. And you can hear it click, and it won't come off unless you pull the release lever. But that's what I bought the cords for. I'm only going to be using one of them. The rest of them are just going to be extras that are around the house when and if they're needed for anything. They're nice cables. They come with little protective caps, which I usually keep these protective caps, and I throw them in a box, a little plastic container. That way, if I do have a plug that needs a protective cap, I have them. They're nice cables. 13 amps is plenty. The biggest charger over here is this 12 amp charger. So more than likely, it might override those cords if I do this 12 amp and this 8 amp and this 6 amp, or this 12 and 8 or this 12 and 6. But the likely chance I'm going to be using all of these at the same time is unlikely. The 12 amp I grabbed only because, just in case, you know, I need to charge a bigger battery quite rapidly because I'm in a hurry. That's what I grabbed it for. These are air vents. The fan actually blows air through these vents right here straight into the batteries. But just a informational video. I use these cords all the time. The colored ones I showed you at the very beginning of the video, plugged under my TV stand. That's just for a couple hard drives the plug I showed you, that transformer style plug, that's actually just for a hard drive that plugs into my Xbox. It doesn't pull much ampage at all. Most of these cords, you don't use them for high ampage, and they're shorties. You know, they're 8 inches. They're good for extending large plugs that do not fit on a power strip or on any kind of surge protector. You know, some surge protectors, they have it where they're actually pretty wide apart. Even these power strips right here are pretty wide apart. So if I pull this one off, you can see how wide these are apart. Some surge protectors and power strips have this gap on one side, and then the secondary side, they literally have them like this close. You know, it just depends on your power strip. Like these guys right here. And it's dusty. So on the back side, they're really close back here, but up here, they're pretty wide apart. And that's an average power strip, unlike this one where they're literally close all the way around. And yeah, I know, it's quite dusty. You know, can't really do much about it. But just a quick video, just to show you guys a couple little items that I picked up. They'll come in handy. I only need one at the moment. I grabbed more than I needed. But do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today and checking out the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And also, if you guys can go check out the Ulsa Tools link I have below. That will get you 10% off your order, ulsatools.com, as well as it kicks me back 10% off my next order. So if you do use them, I do appreciate it. All affiliate links are commission links. I do earn a small commission off those links. If you do use them, you can just click on the link. You don't have to buy what I have on the link, but you know, if you guys just presume your normal shopping on like Amazon or whatever, and you use one of my links, you know, you can buy whatever you want. You don't have to buy what I have on my links, and I'll get a small commission from it. Doesn't cost you guys anything extra. It's just Amazon and them, Acme Tools and all of them, they give me a thank you small commission for you guys using them. Do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today and checking out the video, and hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace!